current state scenario. You get an e-commerce, you get an e-commerce, you get an e-commerce. Facebook to invest 43,574 crores in Geo platforms for a 9.99% stake. This particular news, while I was going through the PR, this particular paragraph, I'll just add it. This particular paragraph hit me. Now, why? This is a differentiator. This changes the entire game. Who at the moment at your home, who buys groceries for you? Majority cases, 95-98% would be your mother or a female authority at home. Currently, what happens is, would they prefer buying from an e-commerce store, or would they go to the retailer personally and buy it? Again, they do not want to buy from an e-commerce store just because they are not used to the entire ecosystem. But now when I ask you, is your mother comfortable with WhatsApp? What happens when she orders something on WhatsApp and there's a retailer who will deliver it? This is a game changer here. Second thing what I liked about it, imagine Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp and your basic SMS, all three coming together. It would be a premium messaging feature if these three merge together. And again, it is possible because the infrastructure is there are people using the service. So again, there are a lot of opportunities here, and again, this changes the e-commerce space. Your mother, who you are trying to get on e-commerce, instead of e-commerce, she now uses WhatsApp. WhatsApp can help her buy groceries. Game changer, total new game changer. And I guess everybody needs to prepare for this because there would be huge e-commerce wars in the future due to this. This happens when I get to see your PR note, your news gets covered. So again, adding the email ID below. If you have any PR, if you have any news, you can send it at this email ID. Also do like and subscribe. Continuing with the further news. Great things happen when people come on social media. This is just one of the examples. This happened on Twitter recently.
நண்பர்களே வணக்கம். இது என்னுடைய முட்டைக்கோசு தோட்டம். 1 லட்சம் முட்டைக்கோசு பயிர்கள் வந்து அறுவடைக்கு தயாராக இருக்குது. சுமார் 4 லட்ச ரூபாய்க்கு மேலே செலவாயிருக்கு. கர்நாடகா எல்லையில் இருக்குது. இந்த கொரோனா லாக்டவுன்னால வியாபாரிகளே வரல. அறுவடை பண்ண முடியுமா?
He had grown cabbage over 3.5 acre land, but he could not harvest it because due to lockdown there was no demand. He could supply everything, but there was no demand. He simply put a video on Twitter. It went viral. With it going viral, sales increased. Not only is he selling out, but also he has made some future business connections where he can sell his cabbage on a long term. So again, the farmer doesn't go to loss. Now, this scenario again is out of the box. Now there are 10 farmers. 10 farmers post something on Twitter, and again, every farmer, there is not a possibility for every farmer to get a response. One farmer, 2 farmers, max 3 farmers would get the response. But again, if Facebook coming together with WhatsApp, it's a direct point-to-point communication. I am not putting my voice in the open so that someone may hear it or no one may hear it. It is point to point. I know that I want this. If he has this, he'll reply, yes, he has it. Even retailers use WhatsApp. Your mom uses WhatsApp. Everybody uses WhatsApp. So again, this is a huge game changer in that field. Elala is another e-commerce platform that is helping retailers at the moment to sell their goods. The e-commerce platform should be ready in 1 or 2 days, and it would help. It's basically in these 6 cities: Allahabad, Delhi, Jhansi, Varanasi, Gorakhpur, Lucknow, and I'm guessing it would be coming to each city. So every retailer can register on this to sell their goods. This is also in association with All India Transporter Welfare and also Consumer Products Distributor Federation. So these two parts also, they form an ecosystem. There is infrastructure, there is transport. Retailers can sell their products being at home. a lot of changes there. The e-commerce system is evolving. It's a good time at the moment to invest in e-commerce. I would actually like to see how the Ilala e-commerce system works, because again, the largest community of retailers is behind this. So we are bound to see something happening in this. Let's see. My only thing is you should support your community, retailers in such tough times. And finally, moving on to the last news. Google makes Google shopping listings available for free as it seeks to expand its e-commerce stake. So again, Google is also getting on the field. Google, you must have seen a shopping tab. Now retailers can just post their particular advertisements for free on the same e-commerce platform. Promotion can happen, your listings happen for free, there is no fee. Google is basically doing this for essentials and I'm guessing non-essentials as well, and it's good to see how this works because now it's for free, so they may see a surge of people coming to the platform to get their product listed. Next thing is I'm guessing only, yeah, this would only provide a delivery for people who do door to door. So if you can send your products door to door, then I would suggest you to check the listings, experiment via it and go through it. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. Do like and subscribe, and probably we'll be checking out some other cool content regarding online platforms. This I guess is my third or fourth episode regarding Staffo Online. Probably would get some fun content also in the coming future. Thank you so much.